Good morning. Let's take a look at how to get started in our course. So currently we're on the home screen and title of our course. I'm the instructor, Sean Scott. My email address is secott@nmsu.edu and expect response time within 24 to 48 hours to any of your questions. Now, this number is the number for the office on campus. I work remotely, so this will not reach me. If you need to contact me, again, email me, then we can set up a phone time or a Skype time. To get started, let's go ahead and click on the Start Here Course Welcome button. Now this scrolls out just a little bit differently, so I'm going to move my screen just a little bit and adjust it. And that's pretty close, so I'm going to move this over just a little more to get most of my screen. Everything on the left there will work. Alright, so this is the Start Here page. We have the course welcome video, a little bit about me, my background, a short narrative about me and my background. More importantly, we have the getting started information. So you're currently viewing this video. Within this video, of course, we're going to hit those highlights of how to get started. So initially, probably the most important thing, what's this course about? It provides a broad introduction to computing, including computer and information technology concepts, economic and social implications of technology, database management, spreadsheet, word processing, and presentation applications. So I'll have some information within the Getting Started page, sort of overview information. See the syllabus for the complete information. Prerequisite knowledge. These are things that you should know prior to entering our course. So although this is a computer literacy course, and there is quite a lot of instructional video out there to help you through these steps and these processes, it's beneficial for students to understand how to download and save files, organize files and folders, open files, access Microsoft Office, work within a web browser, and be able to access websites. You know, I think probably those are those basic fundamental skills most people generally have. Again, refer to the instructional videos if you have some questions about creating a homework folder, downloading student data files, those sorts of things, and send me an email if you have questions. Go out and review our etiquette page. That etiquette is really the behavior in online classes. My response time, generally speaking, I'll be able to reply within 24 to 48 hours, probably less. Mondays through Thursdays for my full-time job is a little busier. I'll have just a little less time to respond during the first part of the week. The last part of the week is generally when I have time to grade and to really provide thorough response to you folks. So really that Friday through Sunday time is the time of my week that I really spend with you guys, at least more so. Now I intend to have all module assignments graded no later than 2 days after they're due. If assignments are due on Monday, and some are, I might be grading those on a Thursday or Friday. Just be aware of that. Let's see. I also email students every week, sometimes more than every week, to really provide an overview of what we've done in the past week, where we're at, and what's coming up in the next week. So hopefully that helps us along and know where we are. Now navigation, there is the Canvas navigation video. So this helps you learn how to get around Canvas a little bit better. Our course site navigation will help you get around our course specifically a little bit better. It'll let you know where the assignments are, how the modules work, what's within the modules, that type of thing. Number 2, review the syllabus. We talked about the course description. We have the course objectives and the course structure. This is a course where we will where I basically act as a facilitator. This course is probably 80 to 90% skills. you'll go ahead and check into the discussions. We'll collaborate within the discussions in class. So that's your face-to-face time, if you will, your conversation time and collaboration time. And then you'll have and projects and different assignments out of your textbook. Each module, the each one of the Microsoft Office modules, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access, will have an end of module project as well. So you'll be basically expected to work on your own, be an independent learner, and I will facilitate the course. And again, this is a very skills-oriented course. We'll touch base regularly. This is kind of how this structure will work. So if you do have questions about the structure, please contact me. Now, you can also see the syllabus for some other information. The course and campus policies, grading policy, course prerequisites, schedule, requirements for student interaction. Number 3, get your books and software. Okay, so your book is this book, Computers, Concepts, and Microsoft Office 2013. Give you a heads up. This book is really 2 books. There are 2 parts to it. Chapters 1 through 7 is the computer concepts part, and that's at the beginning. It starts at page 1 and goes through 200 and something. Now, part 2 is the last 2/3 of the book. This covers the applications, basically, Word, Office, or Word, Excel, Access, and PowerPoint. It starts from chapter 1 and goes to chapter 13, starts at page 1 and goes to 300 and some. So just be aware you have part 1, part 2. Okay, that's the most confusing part of the book. It's a good text, pretty clean text, pretty good book, but be aware of those 2 parts. So we have the computer concepts in Microsoft Office 2013. Here is the the ISBN, and you can go ahead and use that ISBN to go to Amazon or some other site to go ahead and purchase it off the internet. I have all of the student data files and everything that you're going to need other than the text on our site. So you shouldn't have any problem with purchasing a used text and then using the resources we have available on our site. Let's see. And as it comes to mind here, I'm just going to pull that over a little bit. I think now you can see the full ISBN number. You can also see it in the syllabus. Okay, let me go on. The software. You can get Office 365 Pro Plus. Is for free, free of charge. And I think it's still through the Microsoft Student Advantage program. So you folks can go ahead and download and use Office for free. Okay. Here are the instructions for downloading it. Those are also listed in the syllabus. So you need the textbook and you need the software. Now this is a PC only course, just so you know, it's a PC only course. So you'll need to have a PC using Microsoft Office to at least complete the Microsoft Office assignments with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. Okay. Now you can also purchase this bundle, and that's the textbook and Microsoft Office with Snap, and you don't need to do that. We're not going to use Snap. So that's one option that you don't need, but you might see that in the bookstore. All you need is a textbook and the software. Okay. All right. Enter a short biography. So in the discussions module, go and share, so we can get to know each other a little bit. Share what you feel comfortable sharing. Family interests, major, your career plans, those sorts of things. In our modules, this is what our modules will be looking like through this semester. Our computer concepts module, Wednesday, August 17th through Tuesday, September 6th. Windows Web, September 7th through September 19th. Word, September 20th through October 12th. Excel, October 13th through November 7th. PowerPoint, November 8th through November 17th. And then finally, Access, November 18th through December 9th. Now some of those modules are a little longer than others. There's more content within those. And the the end of module project is probably a little more rigorous as well. Now, with all that said, you can go ahead and click on this link and start working on our computer concepts module. Just click and it'll bring you to this page. The site navigation will explain more about this page and all of the module pages. So I think that that's it for this particular video. So if you have questions or comments, please contact me. Thank you.